Or red ochre. What? What are you laughing at? What the fuck are you laughing at? What are you laughing at?
I don't know.
Oh my god.
It's the hard cider.
Why don't you go help your child?
Every single day, I'm gonna make something.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Maskara Cakes. And today is another tutorial for my sister with her Modern Renaissance palette. She really liked the last one and she did it and it looked good. But this one, she wanted one with it was light on the inside and dark on the outside. I said, okay. This one took me like 10 minutes to do at the most. But it only took me longer probably because I was talking. It's really simple. She's on the go. She's a famous photographer going to different places. And no, I don't know. She's not famous. But she's really good. But this one takes no time at all. And it looks great when you put it on. So I thought this would be a good look for her. And upon further questioning, this is the only brush that she has that's good for eye makeup. I will give her some of my brushes next time I see her because she needs more. But until then, it's going to be all with this brush again. So, if you want to need a tutorial of how to do this eye look with this palette, stay tuned. Okay, for this look, I'm going to use Venetian Red. But Jenny, you could also do this with Love Letter or Cypress Umber. Or if you really want orange, you can do Relgar or Red Ochre. And I'm just going to take the small end and stamp it on the outer side of my eye. I use the fluffy side of this brush and just blend it in.
Environment do I foster?
That.
Apparently, shit.
And then make sure you clean your brush off. You wipe it on something rough to get the red color you just used off. And take on both sides. Wipe the brush off. And take the fluffy side and put it in tempera.
Oh, shit.
And start and do the inner corner and blend it into the color you just put down. Instead of tempera, you could put Vermeer or Primavera. You want something shimmery. But tempera is just easier and not shimmery. And that's it. Easy peasy. Oh, lower left. Take this side, the smaller side, put it in that Venetian red or whatever color you use on the outer corner. Lightly. Go and stamp it on the lower left one. Good, how are you? Hey, there's no cussing in our fucking house.
Okay, fuck, I'll make sure.
Then take the fluffy end and blend it out. And again, you can put a sparkly shade in the inner corner under your brow bone if you want. But if you gotta go, that's all you gotta do. And it looks nice. It looks like you actually did some shit. I'm gonna do liner, lashes, blush, everything else. And I will be back. I'm gonna show you the choices of the colors and you tell me which one you like better. You see what my eyes look like? There's this bright pink. Well, it's like deep bright pink. This, whatever color, brownie pink. Or teal. Middle one? Not the last one? Why?
It's not gonna go for your eyes, I don't think.
Alright. God, you're boring as fuck. You don't like cool lipstick? What?
It doesn't match your eyes.
I mean, it's like the same color, but... Did you know this one has glitter in it?
I did not.
Does that change your mind? I mean, all of them had glitter in them, so never mind.
No.
Did you just shush me?
I did.
Why? Oh, I don't like this color at all.
Which one?
The one you picked? Looks terrible. So pink or teal? And I know this one will look good because it looks good no matter what. So this is the finished look. This was really simple, really easy, and I think you can do this one, sizzle. So thank you so much for watching. Later.